Find the ingredients and full recipe in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our delicious recipes. Start by frying the beef in a little oil until it turns brown. Remove the beef from the pot. In the same pot, sauté the peeled onions in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until golden. Return the beef to the pot and mix with the onions. Add tomato puree, garlic, tomato paste, and red wine to the beef and onion mixture. Season with sugar, salt, and pepper. Cloves, bay leaves, and rosemary to the pot. Cover the pot and let it cook for 2.5 to 3 hours on the stove or in the oven. Hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Remember to hit subscribe and smash that like button before you go.